Chamkrong is a small Hindu temple located at foot of Bakheng Hill. The temple can be seen on the path to the top of Bakheng Temple and is on the left when entering Angkor Thom by the southern gate. It was completed in 947, having been started during the reign of King Harshavarman I, a son of Yaso Varman. The temple was completed by King Rajendravarman II, 944 to 968. The name Baksei Chamkrong means the bird who shelters under its wings, and comes from a legend that the king tried to flee Angkor during a siege and a huge bird landed and protected him under its wings. Layout. Baksei Chamkrong has two surrounding brick-built enclosure walls, but those have almost entirely disappeared, though to the east, the remains of an axial gopura with sandstone steps is still visible. A single brick square tower, created in form of pyramid, opens to the east and has false doors on the other sides. The tower rises on 4 laterite tiers, and it diminishes in size from its base to the top level. 4 steep and narrow stairs, rising at each cardinal point, allow visitors, with great care, to ascend to the upper platform. A more recently sculpted reclining Buddha figure lies on the 3rd floor of the tower. The temple is constructed of durable materials, mainly brick and laterite, and has decorations on the sandstone. Originally, the brickwork building was surfaced with stucco, but this no longer remains. Inscription. There is an inscription on either side of the small doorway which dates from the reign of Rajendravarman and mentions the setting in the temple, in the year 947, of a golden statue of Shiva, implying that the building dates from this time. Mythology. Hanuman gives Rama's signet ring to Sita. Hanuman received an order from Rama about searching for Sita. He depart for Lanka, the kingdom of Ravana, by flying across the great ocean. Then he found Sita under a large tree, Osaka. Hanuman spoke to Sita, a mother Sita. I'm definitely the messenger sent by Rama. To create confidence in you, Rama has given his signet ring to give it to you. He handed over Rama's ring to Sita. Sita was overjoyed seeing the ring, and she felt as if she has seen Rama in person. This is the ring that was given during marriage, and she remembered all the occasion and the intimacy that they enjoyed. Her face brightened up and she saw Hanuman and felt embarrassed for having thought that he is Ravana in disguise. She felt grateful to Hanuman. Sita spoke to Hanuman. Hanuman, you are dexterous and skillful. You have crossed the ocean as if it's a water tank in the cow shed. You do not fear Ravana. If Rama has sent you to me, then you must be extremely skilled and you can talk with me without hesitation. Whether Rama is doing well. Whether Lakshmana is doing well. Does not Rama feel sad about me? 1 am deeply attached to him and his relatives. I will remain alive only till Rama promises that he will take me along with him. Hanuman replied, Oh, Mother Sita. Rama did not get to know the place where you were hid until now. That's why he has sent me. Now that he will get to know, he will come with the army of monkeys and save you. Do not think how everyone will cross the sea. Rama, with his radiance, will dry the ocean water and everyone will cross the sea. He will kill the entire Ravana clan. He is undergoing extreme depression and sadness. He feels like an elephant being held by a lion. He just eats boiled vegetables and roots. He does not bother about the pests, small reptiles, mosquitoes that bites him. He keeps murmuring your name. He continues to think that you are in front of him. He does not sleep normally. When he sleeps because of extreme tiredness, he keeps thinking of you and murmurs your name repeatedly. He is following all his duties, and he is doing everything to get you back. Sita was overjoyed hearing all about Rama. At the same time, hearing the misery being undergone by Rama, she was very upset.